Hello, traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you could be here. Today, I'd like to share a concept with you that I've borrowed from another brilliant trader. He trades the no man's land strategy, and I've borrowed this concept from him. If you would like to see that strategy, please visit my blog. Before you have a 4-hour chart. You've noticed that I have marked a trend line as well as areas of support and resistance. What I want you to do with me for a moment is to transform your thinking. I want you to see your trend lines as well as your support and your resistance areas as places where the police are hiding. They're lurking there waiting to give you a ticket if you violate that space. What you'll notice is every time you get near or on one of these areas, you want to run away. You want to run away as far from the police as you possibly can. This is the same chart on a smaller time frame. How do you know the areas to run if you don't have previous support and resistance marked? Well, if you get to a place where you get a reversal candlestick pattern, that's a place that the police are lurking, waiting to give you a ticket. You want to run the other way. And the further you run from that area, the more profit you're going to be able to put into your pocket. Notice here, when you revisited that same area you got close, you got that reversal pattern. Here, you got the reversal pattern. Now, above that, you have resistance, another place where your police are lurking. Stay away from those areas until the judge gives your friend permission to build a bridge over the head of the police where you can safely pass. You're looking for safe passage, and safe passage only comes from the judge. So once your friend gets that permission from the judge to pass that resistance area, then you may go across. Here's another area of resistance. See how I didn't have that marked, but you can see that when price visited that area, it was rejected. When you see prices begin to be rejected, or if they are stuck in a period of consolidation, or they're not passing a particular area, then that's an area where the police are waiting to write you that ticket. Do not pass that area either until you get permission again from the judge to build a bridge over the head of the police. What you'll also note is once you get a legitimate permit from the judge to pass over the head of the police, generally that area becomes support. Another place that the police are now lurking, waiting to give you a ticket because now they're angry with you. So you don't want to pass that area either. Not until the judge gives your friend permission to build a bridge over the head of the police. Once you get that permission, you want to run as far away from the police as possible until you run into another pocket of resistance. And you'll notice the areas where the police are hiding by your candlestick reversal patterns. That's what you want to look for. If you get near an area of police activity, if you do not get a candlestick reversal pattern like you got here, and you see the opportunity to run away from the police was wonderful in this setup. But if you get to an area like this, where you have a close below that trend line. What you want is further confirmation. Once your friend has gotten the full support of the judge to build that bridge across the support police, then you want to pass over that bridge safely too. Guys, this isn't rocket science, but you do have to invest in your education. Love hard, live well, play, and have fun.